First, you have to melt the butter and then cook the onion and garlic. Then you add milk to the breadcrumbs and then put the meat, pretty much everything in there, mix them. Then now I'm adding seasoning and then the buttered onion and garlic that we sauteed earlier. So this is the ketchup, mustard, and brown sugar. Just mix them and we'll use it in a bit. Now you have to shape the meat mixture, do a loaf, and then put it on a wire rack so it won't be watery or fatty. Once it's cooked, let the fat drip into the bottom tray. Then just top it with the ketchup, mustard, sugar mixture we did earlier.